know.
And Mr. P left without Marcus.
I know that he's so. It said
And he's
that.
so selfish.
I know. Why did he do that? Like, there's no reason. And like, Bunny said there was this like, no, that's it. I had to do this for our own good.
What the?
Yeah, but I don't know what that means.
Turn into a monster? Yeah.
Oh,
Sad music.
we are almost
out of here. I just need a rest Don't do it.
Don't worry, Bunny. We'll get out of here.
It's my.
Oh, me too. In my this. Okay. Okay.
Okay, Irish. Just keep all doors open.
Oh, I got the orange
How do
key.
you know it's green key, Irish? Because every single map has a key.
Oh. He's smart. Oh, I never thought of
That's
that.
the exit, I think, and I got hammered.
Oh, okay.
Guys, I found the carrot. What do I do with the carrot? Don't get. Irish,
Oh,
keep
this
the
is a
carrot
red
back, please.
I did.
Please.
I did.
Thank you.
Whoa, what the? Piggy just spawned.
Can you shoot him if you see him, Monica? You got
Guys, Piggy, I have Piggy on me.
Come here. I'll shoot
You need hammer up down. Okay, I'll come that way, okay?
I know I have the hammer. I just need to shoot.
Irish, go where Annika is because I'm gonna.
Irish. Oh, I missed. Do you get?
No.
No. Nice shot.
No, you can't. There's no ammo. No, you. Oh. A dead end!
Where's Sign Key?
There's a coin there, but I can't get it because of zombie. Can somebody distract Piggy for me? Nobody?
I'm using the hammer downstairs. So don't.
Okay. Somebody distract Piggy. Nobody?
Can you lose Piggy? Just lose her.
Like run? with
I got
my-
sign key.
Alright,
Ah!
You scared the hell
Oh, I'm right behind you on the gun. Run.
Monica, I'm right here.
Yes.
Are you coming up, Marcus? Marcus, right here.
Don't worry.
Guys, I'm going upstairs.
I'm going downstairs.
Don't come to the entrance.
Oh, fudge, I'm at the entrance. Oh, fudge, I got the wrong door. Oh, no, it's a dead end. You have to U-turn.
Can I?
Oh, U-turn. What?
Marcus, you saved my life. Thank you.
Oh, you opened the blue key door?
Yeah.
Oh, you have to.
I got another.
Hey, don't come to the entrance. Go.
I'm going to the end.
That was so close.
Oh, Piggy's too close to me.
Guys, I got
Annika,
the
don't
hammer.
come behind. No. Oh my, Piggy.
Guys,
Yes.
I got here.
I'm really
Or
sorry.
him.
Guys, I got the hammer.
Oh, dead. I wish I already
I
used
got
it.
a red key. Can I?
I wish Ricky.
I know where
No,
to
I
use
wish I already used it. Marcus over here.
I found the purple key. What do I do with the purple key?
I already used the purple key.
Piggy's awake. He's coming for me. It's okay.
Where is he? What level?
Downstairs. Go.
Down here.
Yes.
I need goods. No, I don't.
I need to use the
I'm
red
going
key.
over there.
Alright, can you run out and grab the stuff, alright?
Okay.
I got 10 key cards.
Annika, behind you.
Oh, I'm just gonna keep on doing this until I die.
You throw it until you.
What level? Me? No. Marcus is 7. Ooh. Got the. I found it.
Please keep doing that. I got the key
Piggy's
card.
right there.
Keep doing that, please. You can.
We closed that door. Did you use orange key already?
Yes. Iris, can you get the wrench downstairs where you use the wrench?
Ooh! The downstairs.
Yeah, right here. Follow me. Get the wrench. Did you use the hammer?
Yeah.
You get the wrench.
Monica did.
And follow me.
Wrench.
We're almost escaping. Okay.
Don't come to the main entrance.
Yeah, she's distracted.
You can come down. You can come downstairs.
I distracted for so long. I Mr. P gave me a potion.
And I did not know it would soon turn me into.
You can still
Luke, come with me. We can find him.
He has an iPad. He probably got hurt.
No, you need to go with that me.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry if you.
I'm gonna play.
Bunny, go now. I'll hold these monsters for as long as I can.
I'm gonna play chapter 7, which Marcus and the Roosh
Oh,
off camera.
goodbye, Bunny.
I'm gonna play chapter 7 with
Yeah.
our Roosh and Marcus off camera so I can get the badge. So I can get the badge. I didn't get the